Are you a real villain? Well, technically, nah. Have you ever caught a good guy, like a real superhero? Nah. Have you ever tried a disguise? Nah. Alright, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains. Hey! Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain number one, you've got to catch a superhero on the run. Let's follow my lead and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. No! Don't touch it! We are number one. We are number one. We are number one. Well, look at this net that I just found. When I say go, get ready to throw. Throw! Throw it at him, not me! Let's try something else. Now watch and learn, here's the deal. He'll slip and slide on this banana peel. What are you doing?! Hey! We are number one. 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 Hey, hey!